Hey, it's Laura Whitelaw here from Overwhelmed to Empowerment and laurawhitelawcoaching.com. Thanks very much for visiting my channel. Do you want some easy mindset hacks to rewire your brain so that you can enjoy more ease and flow in your day-to-day? If so, then I have 7 mindset hacks for you that I'll be sharing with you in this video. Using these easy mindset hacks will, over time, increase your confidence, lower your stress levels, and rewire your brain for success. And you don't have to use all of these hacks, but most of them take only a few minutes of your time and the results are worth it. They say that as much as 90% of success boils down to mindset rather than the actions you take or the business that you're in. So my channel is dedicated to helping you with the mind, body, spirit aspect to achieving the success you desire. So the first mindset hack is to set a written goal and review it daily. If you're not already a goal setter, start now. Studies have shown that those who set written goals achieve far more than those who don't. And goal setting gives your brain a target to shoot for. And follow the SMART goal formula. The S stands for specific, the M for measurable, the A for achievable, the R for realistic, and the T is for time bounded. So here's an example. My goal is to enroll 3 new clients by the end of this month. So you can see that in this example that it's specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and it has a time frame to it. And then you'll want to review your goal daily and visualize the successful outcome. Without having a clear written goal, your subconscious mind can't help you achieve it. It doesn't have a specific target to shoot for. It's like getting into a car and not having a specific destination in mind. You'll be driving around aimlessly and never get anywhere. And then you'll eventually run out of gas. So if you do the same thing in your business, you'll eventually burn out. Too many people resist setting goals because they're afraid they're not going to achieve them, or they really don't have a clear idea of what they want. But the truth is, you'll be far more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. And it doesn't mean that you can't change your goal along the way. So the second mindset hack is to visualize your goal every day. And you may think that you're not good at visualization, but the truth of the matter is that you're doing it every day. So has this ever happened to you? You need to go and pick up some groceries or run some other errand, and there's construction along your route. So you plan on taking an alternative route, and you mentally run through the way to get there before you start the car. You see, you do know how to visualize. Here's a tip. You can write out a script for the visualization of the achievement of your goal. Describe the scene in detail and use all of your senses in writing out your script. What do you see, hear, feel, etc.? Imagine your friends and family congratulating you and how elated you feel. Then record the script into your phone and listen to it daily while conjuring up the feeling those mental images offer. And it doesn't need to be long. 2 to 3 minutes is enough. And by visualizing your goal like this daily, you'll enlist the help of your subconscious mind in reaching your goal. You'll start getting little nudges to take specific actions, such as making a phone call, reaching out to an influencer on Facebook, or writing a blog post about a specific topic. It might not make sense to you at the time, but these little nudges are often key steps in helping you to reach your goal. The third mindset hack is to develop affirmations the right way. Most people are familiar with the type of affirmations that start with I am, such as I am worthy and deserving of success, or money comes to me easily and effortlessly. For some people, affirmations like these work really well, but for others, they don't. Your affirmations need to be personalized and they need to feel true for you. They also need to feel good so that there's little effort in conjuring up those positive vibes when you repeat them, which is the secret sauce. Affirmations like I am worthy and deserving of success, or money comes to me easily and effortlessly, can sometimes make people feel more negative rather than positive, depending where they're at on their healing journey. So instead, try something like this. I'm feeling more worthy and deserving of success each and every day. Or I'm in the process of attracting money with ease, which softens things so that your brain doesn't kick it out as a lie. And you can certainly modify your affirmations as you go, as your belief grows in what you're able to achieve and accomplish. But for now, this may be a good place to start. The fourth mindset hack is to meditate daily. There are so many benefits to meditating that you should be spending a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes a day meditating. And you don't need to spend more than 20 minutes a day doing so. It helps to control stress and anxiety, improves focus and concentration, enhances your intuition and creativity. It improves your sleep, increases your self-awareness, and so much more. And there are tons of meditation apps out there to help you learn how to meditate successfully. Personally, I love Headspace as an app to learn how to meditate. It really helps to calm down the stress response and puts me in a positive state of mind. Or you can always check out the many guided meditations that are available on YouTube. Another great form of meditation is a candle meditation. This is a really good technique for beginning meditators. If you've ever gazed at a campfire or a fireplace, then you know how meditative this can be. And it's still meditating even though your eyes are open. But if you're at all worried about lighting a candle and potentially starting a fire, you can check out a really awesome video that was created by the Honest Guys on YouTube. I love the one with the sound of rain in the background. Do a search on the Honest Guys candle meditation rain and you'll find it. I've used it many times and it definitely helps me to relax. And I'll leave a link in the video description as well. The fifth mindset hack is to become aware of your self-talk. Catch yourself anytime you say or think something negative and follow it up with the word but, and then something positive. If left unchecked, our minds tend towards the negative. Maybe I'm not cut out for this. What if I can't make the mortgage? If I don't get this business going soon, ... But if you follow it up with the word but, and say something like, I'm in the process of building a business that I love. Or something like, I've made some really great connections on social media today. Your mind opens up to all the possibilities and nullifies the negative. Also, take note of any recurring negative thoughts or emotions that you experience, because you can eliminate the tendency to default to these negative states for good with the next mindset hack. The sixth mindset hack is tapping or emotional freedom techniques, aka EFT, to release limiting beliefs and negative emotional states. Tapping or EFT is a highly effective and scientifically proven mind-body tool that helps eliminate the fight, flight, or stress response. It's a great tool to eliminate limiting beliefs and negative emotions. It's the secret sauce that I use with my clients. In business, we might experience anxiety from time to time when doing live stream video, having sales conversations, or when doing public presentations. And so we might avoid these highly effective business building activities altogether because they make us nervous. We therefore sabotage ourselves and hold ourselves back from doing the very things that can bring the success that we desire. Tapping helps to calm the fight-flight response, which allows us to release the limiting beliefs and negative emotions that hold us back. We are then able to step into our power and serve the people that we're meant to serve with our business. So if you find yourself thinking thoughts like, nothing ever works for me, or maybe I'm not cut out for this, you can release the negative emotional charge attached to these statements and let go of these beliefs for good. Amazing results can be achieved when we let go of the core issues that are driving the limiting beliefs and the negative emotions. Often we aren't conscious of the core issues that are holding us back without the help of a coach or an energy practitioner. If you want to learn more about how tapping can help you gain more clarity, stop procrastinating, and earn more money in your business, reach out to me for a complimentary 15-minute chat, and I'd be happy to answer your questions. I'll leave a link in the video description below so that you can book a quick chat with me to discuss your issues. The seventh mindset hack is to build some fun and relaxation into your day every day. Yes, build some fun and relaxation into your day every day and even enjoy slacking off from time to time. I'm reminded of Jack Nicholson in the movie The Shining. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So take the dog for a walk, dance, sing, play with your child, and be present while you're doing these things. Enjoying some fun time increases your happiness hormones and enhances your creativity and your problem-solving skills. It keeps your brain from gravitating towards negative thoughts and dwelling on problems. All good stuff for building your dream business. That's all I have for you today. Thanks very much for visiting. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like more content like this, please subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified the next time I post a video. Thanks again for watching and have an awesome day. Bye-bye.